Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will be looking at reports analytics module of Enture platform. In the reports analytics, we have three different types of options available, that is trend analytics tool, energy consumption by machine and create reports. Let's look at each one by one. First, let's look at trend analytics tools. Here we have different kinds of report generation feature is available, that is data historian, machine voice trends can be, these all reports can be generated. Let's look at trend data historian. Here to generate the report we need to select the workspace, the machine. We can select the machine and multiple parameters can be selected over here, and we need to, so we can select the raw trend or normalized data, this can be selected, and we need to select the date, from which date and time can be selected over here. I'm selecting the here date, time, and we can select the time duration of the report. Here, if once this all detail is been filled, we'll select the generate report option over here. Once we select this generate report, this is how the report generated, and we can also zoom in or zoom out can be possible over here by this option. Next we have is machine voice trends. Here we need to select the workspace and multiple machines can be compared over here. Here we can select the day or time today can be selected, and date can be selected over here, and end date can be selected, and we can select the parameters like active power can be, tag type can be selected, active power, temperature can be, this can be one of them can be selected. I'm selecting here active power and generating the report. Once this detail is been filled, this is how the reports will looks like, and we can also deselect and select the reports, and we can also monitor in bar as well as in line, and we can also zoom in as well as in zoom out these details. Next we have is basic statistics trends. Here we will selecting the workspace and machines, and parameter can be selected and date can be selected over here. We can select the historic data as well. Here once we generate the report, this is how it looks like. It can be monitored over a graph as well as in table format. And we have the time to day report as well. Here we can select the workspace, the machine, and the parameters can be, multiple parameters can be selected over here, and a specific date need to be selected, and a time can be selected over here. I'm selecting the this date. Once data is been filled, we'll select the generate report. This is how the reports looks like. Same way we can generate the 24 hours trends can be generated over here, and time frame trends can be generated. Parameter historical comparison can be generated, where we can select the workspace device, and the parameters can be selected over here, and two dates can be, particular two dates can be monitored over here, and particular time can be monitored of a particular time. And we have another option of energy usage trend, where you will be selecting the workspace, machine, and the parameter, and date can be selected over here, and trend energy trend can be monitored in this graph. Next, in the reports analytics, we have energy consumption by machine. Here we can generate the reports of a particular year or 6 month data can be generated, last quarter, month to date, or year to date, or customized data can be generated. Well, let's look at the 6 months data first. Here we can generate, this is the data of last 6 months. We can expand the tabular as well, selecting, this is how it looks like. We can also customize according to our tabular how much data we want to monitor. It can be 5, the tabular will be lesser. How much we can expand to 10, and we can also expand to 15, and we can also monitor all the data can be monitored. Same way we can select the quarterly report as well as month to day report can be generated, and we can also generate the report based on customized date. Here I can select the date, from date to end to date, and select the generate run report. Once I select the run report, This is how the reports will looks like. All the particular data can be monitored over here. Next we have is create report. Over here we can create the reports based on our requirements. It can be usage report, dynamic report, energy report can be generated, where we can give a name and the unit can be given, and the workspace, device and parameter need to be selected. And here we can give a notification group, where we can select the emailer group, where if any parameter hikes or spikes will our threshold value goes beyond, it will notify the person. And once this detail is been filled, we'll select the create group. Once this all detail is been filled, we'll select the create. Once we select the create report, this is how the report will looks like. We can see the report, like viewing the report. This is how the graph will looks like, and we can also monitor in tabular format. Thank you for watching. For more, connect with us in LinkedIn and YouTube.